everybody, Amy Fountain with Monarch Title. How are you today? I'm at an open house. You can see these awesome people behind me right now. We're at 6 Sargent Street in Allenstown, New Hampshire. This is an older house. Bobby built in what, 1837?
I didn't build it personally in 1837, but yes, it was built in 1837.
So I have Bobby Gaudette, who's here with me. She's the listing agent. We have Mark Gordon with Prime Lending, and then we have Darwin with Flow Design. So we're actually going to speak to each one of them. We'll start with Bobby so she can talk about the property, and then we're going to go down the line. So I'm going to switch this camera around. There we go. And this is Bobby Gaudette. She's with Keller Williams Metro.
Well, I'm so happy to be here in Allenstown. This is a great home. As Amy mentioned, it was built in 1837. Don't let that scare you. It's got great bones. Certainly needs to be renovated. About 15, almost 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, nice little lot. Great price point, $199, and we've got all kinds of options in terms of financing. We've had Darwin from Flow Design do some great renderings, and again, come by, see us. We have some lunch, we have some giveaways. Love to see you here.
Now, can you tell us, I have to say I was half listening because I'm looking at all these awesome people who are looking at this video right now and kind of waving to them on here. But so how many bedrooms and how many bathrooms right now?
It has 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths.
Yep.
We've got some plans, what it would look like to put in another bathroom. And again, there's all kinds of potential here in this home for, not a lot of money. It's a great home to get into, and we know that it would be a great home for the next folks who move in.
And there's a few things that they've updated recently, right?
That is very true. Actually, the seller has put in a new furnace. He's put in a new hot water heater. The washer and dryer are mid-grade. They're not the cheapo appliances that you typically get in a renovation home. So there's really it's just the cosmetic stuff that needs upgrading here, and you can make it the home of your dreams.
Awesome. So now this is Darwin. He's with Flow Design. Why don't we, Darwin, walk into the other room so we can see actually what you've done. Now, even I see that there are some real estate agents that are watching us. Now, what Darwin does is actually, it's amazing. Architecture, interiors, planning. So what he's actually done, and he's done some plans here. I don't know if you can see his board, and he's taken each room and he's made a design. So Darwin, if you can explain to us what you do, that would be great.
All right, so Flow Design, we're architects located in Salem, Massachusetts. And what we do is really we turn any place that you want to buy or that you see into whatever you want it to be. So for this space particularly, we walked the whole place. We looked at the possibilities and drew up what the existing conditions were and what they could be, what it could become. The house is old, but it has all the good bones for potentials for anything. So one of the things that we did, we saw the kitchen and we immediately redesigned what we thought the kitchen could be. The space is really actually very big, and we could divide it, create an island, create a space for dining and cooking. And we moved where the bathroom was into another location, a little bit more appropriate. It would be all the way behind here, and created a bathroom that you can, it relates to the entire space, to the entire house, rather than having bathroom off of the kitchen. So we really, we wrap whatever is there, and we tell you this is what it could be, and then you decide whether you want it or not. We're architects. We're licensed in Maine, finalizing our licensure in New Hampshire and Massachusetts. So all of New England, we're becoming registered architects right now.
Great. And like I said, he's with Flow Design. I'm going to put everybody's information on this video as well so that you'll know how to reach out. We will actually hopefully be having Darwin come to the office in Keller Williams to do a training. So stay tuned for that. We also have Mark Gordon with us here from Prime Lending. And Prime Lending actually has a great renovation program. So we have everybody here that can help you. We have Bobby Gaudette. She can show you the property. Darwin, who can help the buyers to get their vision here and do all the architecture. Of course, we have Monarch Title that's here to do your closing for you, but Mark Gordon as well, who can help with the financing. So Mark, can you tell us a little bit about your renovation financing?
Yes, absolutely. So with Prime Lending, we're one of the top renovation lenders in the country. We have 18 different renovation programs, so one of them is right for this property. We can do not only FHA 203K, but we also do conventional loans called a conventional home style renovation loan. We can do a VA renovation loan for our veterans, so there's lots of great options. So once we have the design from Darwin, then you can add that to your contractor, and it allows, what happens is we allow you to roll the financing into the purchase of the property. So not only do you do the property, you add the renovation financing in, all in one loan. So one loan, one closing, one process.
That's great. Awesome. So everybody, once again, we're here from 12 to 2. I don't know if you want to take a quick look at the kitchen here, because we did see the rendering photos that Darwin did, which are absolutely stunning. So thank you, Darwin. But if you have any questions, please reach out to Bobby Gaudette. She'd be more than happy to show you this property. And I hope to see you at the closing table soon. Take care.